Here are the 5 stocks that I'm day trading this month, and let me tell you, if you're not trading them, you are leaving money on the table. These picks are packed with volatility, high probability setups, and real opportunities to stack profits. I've done the research, now I'm giving you the edge. You can waste time chasing random tickers, or you can focus on stocks that consistently deliver strong moves, volume, and opportunities to grow your account. These 5 stocks, they've been on my radar because they hit all the right criteria. They have volatility, they have liquidity, and clean setups. I'm not just picking these because they're popular. These are the ones I know traders like us can take advantage of, so let's dive in. These are the 5 stocks I'm day trading this month, and I'm going to break down exactly why each one is loaded with potential, from massive ranges to key levels you need to watch. The first stock on the watch list is Netflix. Once the Fed announced the rate cuts in December, there was a lot of movement in the markets during this period. Netflix formed this brand new setup. Late in December and so far early in January, we've seen consistent selling across the markets, which was likely tied to Powell's announcement and the end-of-the-year tax-related selling. What I like about Netflix chart is it has created a solid $20 range between $8.78 and $8.98, giving us multiple chances to capitalize daily in both directions. It's also forming this nice base, but with earnings coming up in the next 2 to 3 weeks, this setup is primed for a breakout. On the upside, I'm watching for a move past 916, while the downside target is below 842. Tesla came into January looking shaky after missing delivery numbers, but we've already seen a strong rebound off the 378, 380 level, pushing it back over 400. This creates a solid 5 to 8 point intraday range, providing plenty of opportunities. The major level I'm eyeing is 424. If we break that, the next move toward 450 through 460 pops up. On the downside, if buyers lose momentum and we drop below 382, all eyes will turn to the 350 gap for the next big opportunity. Here we have MSTR. This is probably the trickiest stock on this list. All this momentum is entirely tied to Bitcoin. From a downside perspective, we can see a 15-point move back lower to the 325 level, and that's a good opportunity for downside trades. However, if Bitcoin rallies past 110K, this stock has huge upside potential. We're talking up another 60 point, and that's early in this month. The key level I'm watching is 360. If we break through that, I'm targeting 380 for momentum. And later, we might have a catalyst that sets the stage for a move back towards its all-time high. Crowd has the perfect setup. Right now, it's trading within a 4-point range, but the key level to watch is 363. If we break through that, the next target is 377. On the flip side, if we drop below 355 or 353, a 10-point slide back down to 345 is on the table. Finally, we have ANET. This stock is always hitting a new all-time high, which makes it tricky to find pullback levels. Right now, it's trading within the 5-point range, but don't let that fool you. The contract premiums on ANET are insane. You'll see why they did a 4-for-1 stock split not too long ago. On the downside, if we lose 109, it sets up a potential 10% drop below the 100 level, possibly filling the gap around 98 depending on the market conditions. On the upside, a breakthrough 118 brings us to the 122 level, where a ton of buyers can push the stock toward 130. Follow me for more insights and let me know in the comments which of these stocks you're trading.